Hello friends, I am Shivaji Walke. In today's session of agrotourism, we are going to see about consideration before start of agrotourism centers, or what is the most important things that farmers supposed to be consider before starting any agrotourism centers. If you see, location is an most important factors which directly affect on success of your agrotourism centers. So many things are depend on your location only, because number of visitors or number of tourists visiting to your locations or visiting to your agrotourism centers are totally depend on location factors. If your location is an easy to arrive or easy to access for tourists, then if it has some natural background or some natural beauties, then people or visitor would like to visit your agrotourism centers. Okay, if it is blessed with some desert area, or it is blessed with some river, mountain and other things, then the people would like to visit your agrotourism centers. So your place or location is supposed to be easy to arrive or easy to access to the new visitors, and within some natural background or natural beauties. Then it should be easy to accessible by road and railways. There should be connectivity or some infrastructures like road, electricities and other things for arriving the visitors to your places. Then tourists want to enjoy some historical and natural tourist place along with the agrotourisms. Hence, the center should have developed near of this tourist place. So this agrotourism centers supposed to be near to some historical things or some natural things. Means along with your agrotourism centers, these tourists want to see something else also. Okay, we can also see that on the Mahabaleshwar ways there are so many agrotourism centers, because along with that Mahabaleshwar visit, people would like to visit your strawberry farm or your agrotourism centers also. Okay, so it's supposed to be attached with your with any nearby historical things or natural things. Now location should be, it should be away from crowded and city area, because people or visitors want to relieve from their daily stressful lives. They are looking for peace. Okay, and that's why your location should be away from crowded and city area. It should be give the view of rural areas. Then it should be near to the natural beauties or natural things like deserts or any rivers, then your forest areas or anything else. Okay, it should be near to any natural beauties. Then it should be easily available the traveling facilities. There should be some traveling arrangement or traveling facilities for new visitors. Then near from rural areas like village, it should give some rural touch, because these urban peoples want to enjoy the rural things or rural traditions, rural foods, rural accommodations and rural hospitality things. That's why it should be the near to the village areas. Then secured farm for tourists as a residential purpose. It should be secured for residential. Even they can live in agrotourism centers in a tent also. Okay, that's why it should be secure for anyone's and any tourist. Then area where we easily do some agricultural practices. There should be some things for performing some agricultural practices, because we know these agrotourism centers are running on these three principles: something to see, something to do and something to buy. So these tourists want to perform some agricultural practices like harvesting of crops, sowing of crops, then weeding operations, or then any spraying or anything any agricultural related operations. So there should be some facilities for performing various agricultural operations. Then area which is secured from wildlife. This area should be secured from wildlife. So this is about the today's topics. Now, the most of the times this location factors is an very importance. Okay, as we seen in the last sessions, we have seen the various things or various factors. That's why people love to visit agro-tourism centers. They want to relaxation from their daily routines. Okay, then they want to see some natural beauties. Then they want to enjoy with their families. So while considering or while deciding the agro-tourism locations, farmers supposed to be consider these many things, because totally success of your agro-tourisms are depend on your locations. So these about the today's sessions. Now what we learn today? Today we have seen about why location is an important factors for success of agro-tourism centers. Or in exam there might be question like, write down the importance of locations for agro-tourism centers. Because these locations should be away from crowded and city areas. It should be give some feel of rural areas. Then it should have some natural beauties or natural things like mountain, rivers, deserts or islands and anything else. Then easy for traveling facilities. There should be some good connectivity of roads, railways or any transportation facilities. Then it should be near to the rural area. Then your tourist can enjoy some rural games, rural culture, rural tradition, rural foods or rural hospitality and accommodation themes. Then it should be there secured for residential places, because along with the tour visit they want to stay for 1 night or 2 nights. That's why there should be some residential purpose secure. Then it should be have facility for performing different kind of agricultural facilities or practices. Then it should be secure from wild animals. Okay, in short ॲग्रो टुरिझम डिसाईड करताना लोकेशन्स खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. कारण की आपण जर पाहिलं तर काही वेळेस लोकेशन अशा ठिकाणी पाहिजे की ज्या ठिकाणी सपोज IT पार्क आहे किंवा त्या नियरबाय मोठं सिटी आहे, ज्या ठिकाणी तुमच्या ॲग्रो टुरिझम सेंटरवरती येण्याच्या लोकांचे चान्सेस आहेत, किंवा त्या ठिकाणी नॅचरली काय आहे. ओके, आता आपण कन्सिडर केलं जर बिग वन पाहिलं तर बिग वनमध्ये काय आहे किंवा बिग वनच्या आसपास जास्त ॲग्रो टुरिझम सेंटर येतं. का? कारण की त्या ठिकाणी उजनीचा जो काय आहे तो बॅकवॉटर फ्लो आहे. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे त्यांना पीपलला तिथे आल्यानंतर पक्षी पाहण्यासाठी मिळतात, बोटिंगसाठी मिळतात किंवा फिशिंगसाठी मिळतात किंवा बाकीचे जे काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज असतील त्या परफॉर्म करण्यासाठी मिळतात. आणि ते प्लेसेस असं आहे की त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला नॅचरल ब्युटीज किंवा नॅचरल थिंग्स तुम्हाला एन्जॉय करता येतील. ती जागा रुरलचा फील देते. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे लोकेशन कन्सिडर करताना किंवा लोकेशन डिसाइडेड करताना आपण हे फॅक्टर्स कन्सिडर केले पाहिजे. सो दिस अबाउट द टुडे सेशन्स. आय होप यू हॅव अंडरस्टँड. इफ नॉट, प्लीज आस्क मी. थँक्यू.